Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the BYD Atto 3 app, all the way from finding it on the Play Store to using it to unlock your car. So I'm now going to search for it. I'm going to search for BYD and just click search, see if it comes up. So it says BYD Auto Industry Company Limited 5-star review. So let's install that. Must be a really good app to get 5-star reviews. Okay, so it's installed. Let's now open it up. Okay, so now this is very important because you need to use the email address that you bought your car with to log in. So I'm just going to click on register and type in my email address, send email, read and check the agreement below, click this box, send email, safety verification, move the slider to the right. Okay, so verification code is sent to my Gmail. So now I'm going to check my Gmail, then come back. 775363. Okay, so I now need to come up with a password. Click done once you've set up a password. Okay, now you need to type everything in here again. Log in. Allow BYD to send you notifications. Allow. Tip, dear vehicle owner. Agree. So there's my car, even though I do have a blue car, but it says I've got gray, and it does have the correct kilometers and battery percentage. Okay, so here are a few things I can do just by scrolling down. So doors and windows. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is check if I can unlock the car. So I'm now going to press this. Set operation password. Done. Okay, so let's unlock the car. Have to put in the operation password. Weak network signal around vehicle. It does not work.